Hey girls, another day, another vlog. I'm literally just wearing the same pajamas from last night. And I'm just doing the same thing, listening to the Girls That Invent podcast, but obviously another episode and doing my morning Pilates. I just finished eating my brunch and I'm sorry I forgot to vlog it, but it was just rice, egg, and two like small garlic longanisas or sausage. So for the number 3, and I just ate some grapes. Sure ko lang. Here is the number 3. Let's see if it would beat the pistachio bear yesterday. Ooh, it's pink. Ooh, it's a wafer this time. It's giving Victoria's Secret. I don't know why it's not focusing. Ayan, chocolate wafer. Oh no, wala akong placemat. Sana hindi siya alat. Oh. It's coated in chocolate. Let's taste this! Oh my god, ang kalat. It's pretty good. But number 2, yesterday was still the best. The bear pistachio.
My God, I thought you were someone to rely on. Me, I guess I was a shoulder to cry on. A face on a lover with a fire in his heart. A man undercover puts it on me apart.
So the FOS cold brew is actually good. It's matcha with peppermint and coffee espresso. It's good.
You were someone to rely on. Me, I guess I was a shoulder to cry on. A face on a lover with a fire in his heart. A man undercover puts it on me apart.
Hey girls, so this will probably be the last content for today's 3rd vlogmas. I'm just currently studying, watching a video for and bonus sa exam bukas. And good luck, cause it's confusing. It looks easy, but when you're gonna do it alone, it's called this How to Make a Decision Using AHP. And I just finished my Barbie journal for 2024. It's so cutesy. I got this like 50% off the typo. It's so nice. Like, yung may mga guides siya. Gusto ko yung mga madami pwede kang lagyan ng ek-ek. Alam mo yun, yung hindi ka lang magsusulat. Tapos, obviously, per day, I journal every day, every night. And then, tas yung may ganito, tas may goals. So, tas meron siyang pocket here. So, obviously, bookmark. So, yes! I just finished writing my journal for tonight. Reflections. Tas may ganito siya. This was like 800 to naging 400. So, here is another informal outro. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. Ang hirap pala mag-content every day, but I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. So, as always, don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, comment, share, everything, notify the bell, and on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X.